Good afternoon, Chris Ream, Principal at Playford College.
Assalamu alaikum, Rasha Maki, Deputy Principal of Playford College.
You'll receive on our social media very soon an exceptional morning where we had lots of older Australians who've been here all their life, came and had their biographies or their stories told to our Year 9 students who will produce a biography now. It was one of those very, very special moments in the life of our school. But tomorrow we also have a very special moment, which we do every year in our school, and that's a celebration of Hajj. So tomorrow we've got some reminders for you about Hajj, but it's particularly for in primary and secondary, all the students who have enrolled, they are allowed to be here until 5 o'clock. If you haven't enrolled your child until 5 o'clock, you cannot allow your student to take. That includes there'll be no bus service at 5. We want children to be here, but you have had to have been enrolled. I'm sure there are other things I should be remembering, Mrs. Matt.
Sorry, for tomorrow, the program tomorrow is for primary students and it will be for secondary students on Friday. So for tomorrow, students, the program will start during the day, but it will continue until after school. So even students who are leaving at 3:30, they will have a specific exposure to the program and they will participate in the program. But again, as Mr. Raymond mentioned, if they have not registered to stay until 5 p.m., they will leave at 3:30 p.m. as normal, whether it's by bus or whether they are collected by their parents, either or. For students who are staying till 5 o'clock, they will continue in the program with us until 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, we expect all parents to be picking their children up from the kiss and drop area, which is a place where usually parents drop their children off in the morning. We will be out there with the students, and then students will go into cars. We ask that parents do not wait, outside for their children to go to them. Instead, to come into the kiss and drop area, where we will send the child when we see the parents, and the child will go to the cars. We think it will be a very special program. Students are expected to wear white if they wish to tomorrow, and we expect to see many staff members also who will be wearing white tomorrow. So parents who are dropping their children off to school as well, feel free to wear white, so that will be the vibes of the school tomorrow. And we expect that it will be a great learning experience for our children in their Hajj program this year.
Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow for those who are dropping their children off.
Assalamu alaikum.